now pangte ke kahile heltunu lun moi kahia and tuni junior pote sin lai nga number nga na sil khom ni yom wai pat mai na tuni na ama sa pen pen na hiya ya itang gom en khom diu okay Jacob bungkha changsom lani isim khom diu hem na tuak te te mi ham pha hi ze eta om nungin hinna la luhu topan ama I te kyanga achiam amu ding ziakin sapa wasindi hile James chapter 1 verse 12 blessed is the man who perseveres under trial because when he has stood the test he will receive the crown of life that God has promised to those who love him dunia itangom zira kha banga hon genut ichile kha ihin khwa kha zeet na mo test omgi ge hai test te kha bang chida na omai chile kha temptations tom hilele thei di kha temptation kha pathianen jesu in temptation hon penge lo mo it's always the devil mo satan in kha hon tempt zeal so that temptation is a test so mi hinkha mi tom mi hizya kha everybody has different forms of test for example kaya the temptation pen kha nanga the temptation hilo mai the mo so for me maybe temptation is maybe watching TV more but then for you it may be Instagram khoi more or for you it may be PUBG so it's all like a temptation different forms of temptation mo hilale hi temptation pen kha mi hi na kha itwa nge di a hi chi kha tu ni kha easier hinjin and then hi itwa pen kha e ma ha na kha ki zo ngi lo di e ma ha na ki muanga temptation te dozo de ki ging tak lekha it is a fallacy no it's not true that cannot happen e kha ki lung ke mai di but instead we should love God mo pathian I ta pathiani sapa pathian pan pi na nge na yai temptation te ze etna te couple zo the na ngin yai zet na te tunga wall zo na ka nei thina ngi no to pa han pan pi in ja ki thum le pathianin hat na pia pathian hat na swanga khem na te ipal zo changa kha ipal zo theile pathianin on ki pa pi din jin oh yes my child I'm so proud of you want to di mo pathianin kha wai kha pathianin hinna la luhu crown of life mo crown of life on pe din jin why crown of life pen kha pathianin kha mi teng kyang apya khilo ama I te mo ama moang te kyang chou a dia a koi khia mo why hon pe di hi chi kha tunia kha itang go minon hil okay yom namun chia ta he tang go pen ka ana bai hat nge ni okay idam sunga kha he pen kha I hun ni hak sat hun ni jang ko nga kha I bai ha chai koi le kha it will always serve as a reminder mom okay so let's learn about William Tyndale lung lu thwai chu bang zia kai chi le yai I bible I lai siang tho kha I pawa kha bible kha I pawa kha lai siang tho ki chi mo yai I lai siang tho na mu ya yai I lai siang tho pen kha bang chida na sim the I hiya bang zia ka sim the hi chi le kha it's all because of William Tyndale ha pat na zia ka kha pan lang na zia ka kha tunia kha en kha yai I bible pen kha e pau e kya le hi lo mi tom nam tom mo vai te Bengali te Punjabi te ai ke le e lak ale paule ham tom mar te kuki te mizo te chiteng tengin kha amau ma ni pawa kha bible asim the ja ku bang ja kai chi le kha William Tyndale ja ka hi chi kha I the ngai mo so let's learn about his life but before we learn about his life we have to understand a few things okay tu kha e kha bangai chile kha 2021 akitenge chumole so if you live in 2021 it means that you live in the 21st century so since William Tyndale was born in 1494 more he was born in the 15th century and he lived through the 16th century okay why one like as you know it was called the dark ages more or it is also known as the medieval times more medieval times kitchen and it is popularly known as the dark ages bangzia ka dark ages ki che hi lekha azya kha progress om lo zia so at progress om lo ba na hawala ya kha famine om mo and then plague om damlo na chi tuam om le kido na tamatam war of roses crusades si khong damlo na tuam om tin ma changa why ba na kha wala ya kha lai sim na siam sin na chi kha omwak lo mo science chi bang kha encourage lo maths chi khobang le encourage lo so invention chi bang le bang ma om lo wai hun la ya so it was called the dark ages mo while ya kha adang khat kha banga interesting chi le kha the church chi teng kha Roman Catholic in kha church in kha thune ne ju bang zia ki chi le kha so they had a concept of divine right which meant that the king was appointed by the church e tunga vai hom the na di power kha kwa pya ka chi le kha pathian pya ka hi chi pe kha amao kha vai gin na kha apai pi ja kwa kha church pe kha powerful pe ma mom. So the Bible was first was while ayaka it was in Latin mo but then if you think Latin penka original power hidin naging ya no New Testament penka it was originally written in Greek power ki galenjit and the Old Testament was written in Hebrew hilale Roman Catholic Church in kamo mi pi pa ngai ten kha Bible asim diu aphal lo zia ka kha amao kha Latin power le we chu Latin power akile pen kha yai pen kha Latin power Bible pen kha wai pen chau za the hi chi kha thu pwa mun chin le amao kha akum pi pa tung to na kha dan bolun chin mo 1409 kuma kha amao parliament nin ka akum pi pa thru kha dan bolun chin banga adan bolu chi le kha Bible pen kha translate phal lo hi chi mo wai pen kha dan kal na hi chin le Latin power Bible pe na pata line khat na satom le aki translate aki mu nge le why translate tu pa tha om di chi injin why ba na anei tu pa tun ken line khat ne len ke le hon that diu mo hu chi du ka kha la why e chu why aka ma kha phal lo long chin bang zia ka phal lo chi le kha mi pi ten kha Bible thu bang ma the ke yu hen lan ama again pen kyau kha ama kha apom nga 15th century tu nga khamo bang kha white ta na kha lai bu kha bang chita na ki gela chi le khut ni na ki gele chu chi le kha Bible kha pek tam pio me chu mo le a chi le khut ni na gel ni bang chu so na ma di mo I class notes bang le gel hak sai chu mo le chi le ama kha akum kuma sima gel je lu we chu akhuta gel kau je lu mo agel jangwa bang mistake error bang le om zel hilele wai kha Bible kha wai la ya kha hu chingin na ki print lo hu chingin na ki gel tho they were all handwritten hai ya alimi mu le hai ya handwritten Bible le mo hilele wai ya kha Gutenberg printing press on ki invent yo do you remember aya kha printing press on ki invent ta kha Gutenberg press on ta kha ma kha books te kha nida nga kha kum khat la te kum Bible pen bang ai ke le book tom kha khuta gel khyak te kha ma kha printing press sa hun print thei taw mo a chi le kha a print hun tom ta le tam pi produce thei taw why za ka kha lai sang tho kha mi ting a di hi chi pen kha Martin Luther tung to na kha Martin Luther ngai to na te kha ho cha na hon ki spread mo lai sang tho kha mi ting a di hi chi pen kha tindil in le anaza pha mo hu cha kha ama lunglut na hun piang okay so tun ama tang tua ilut ta diom jile tindil pen kha kwai jile ama kha Gloucestershire ki ji khwa England na mo it was a county Gloucestershire ki ji khwa kha 15th century 1494 kuma piang e ju ama kha he was from a very rich family ama kha nei thiu mo family thing again the hello jin how sagziak ma takwa kha aman kha anyo wa pata kha tutor nei jin mo ama lai hil di khat nei jin ma school nei lo school kai lo ama ina ki hil je lo ju ina ki hila hi zeka kha aman kha ina lai sin jin ama kha anyo wa pata sincere ku kal le miginom diligent mo Kukal Zaka kha ama kha Oxford BA area kwan so we must realize that tu life ko nga kha e kha college kai kha a hidida na ki koi mole ki ham phatho ni dang la ya mi ting kai thelo akukal mama a hi ki le alaisia mama a hi ki le a house mama white chau kha college kai theyu okay wa Oxford ba kai chin Oxford kha BA ba hi engine BA kha Sel ta kaon zo injin bana MA bang le hon hi to mom MA pen kha man kha Oxford a hi do injin Cambridge University a hi injin hi le hwa ya on mun la ya kha ma kha pathian thu le lai sang thowa kha ama kha alung lut na kha hon pung. So we must understand bang ja ka hon punga chi le kha why a university on kai ka kha he began to learn what Greek, he learned Latin, he learned French, Italian, chite khong kha hai pau kha twam hon zirin chin. So he was a linguist. So what happened was aman kha lai hon thei ta ka kha pau chi twam ti hon thei ta ka kha chile kha aman kha Bible pen kha Latin Vulgate mo tu England Bible zat pe nu Roman Catholic te Bible zat pe nu Latin Vulgate ale hon sim thei in chin le original Greek ale hon sim thei in chin chile kha wai kha hon gom khop changa kha aman le kha hai Bible kha thil thu pi hin na le mi tam pi ten asim thei di ma hiu azia ya akigen te thil khen te kha poimo achi teu kha poimo het lo hi pathianin hon thu kha khilo hi chi kha man kha hon thei ka jo. So he believed that reading the Bible mo mani pawa Bible simpen kha privilege hilo injin right hi mia dia kha ahidi mong ma hi chi kha man kha wai kha gin na on ne ta jo hai Bible let di kha ka sap na hi ka calling a hi chi kha man kha hon phok ta chen chi le man kha all chik chik ka wai pen lam kha hon tum ta mo atup na ne chin Bible pen kha English a translate di pen kha atup na ne chin all chik chik ka hon translate pan ta mo aya kha ma kha sub deacon chan thu gen thei mo bya ki na pulpit tu ngan du ding thei hon hi ta ba zo mo hilele man kha why translation pen lung lu che ka kha John Walsh ke chi mo mi house ate in khata kha atate lai hindi tutor atate tutor apang dia kha ma kham ki peta why afri hu na kha man kha why Bible translation kha hon ki panta why translation an ki patcha kha problem khatono me chu danin kha phallo hi 1409 na kha dan bolun chin Bible translation kha phallo hilele academic translation ji chu min kha lai sim na la siam sin na dia kha translation a ki bol le kha why chu phal hi zel why a dia kha permission abala ngai permission abala ku dia kha ma kha bishop tunstal kya nga ho tindelin kha why John Walsh te kya nga om la kha why te om na ve nga parish ti chu byakin why byakin na kha ma kha pathyani changa thu gen je le chu chu ma kha ka ge ma banga kha sub deacon pulpit tu nga ding changa kha mo aman kha hai Bible pen kha mi teng teng sim thei di hi chi le Catholic te paidan pen hon kal sim sima pai changa khamo amao gim na to kituag lo sima thuon game pin changwa kha waya ami pia kha le ana hazaten kha ama kha na he ko e chutun sel kyanga waya chile kha why bishop tun selin kha why again pen kha a complaint pen kha ana bill do kha mo na the kha injin aman kha hai Bible pen kha academic purpose ading in ka translate la chile kha tun selin phal lo mo waya chile kha ma kha lung ke go pinjin so waya kha he met this man called Henry Monmouth mo Henry Monmouth kicho minjin he was a very rich merchant mo ama kha merchant hunjin Europe mun tam ma pata kha mau kha one trading hi je lu mo why ha Henry Monmouth in kha William Tyndale thilge te kha man kha an support mo chile kha kum kha chinglo jek sung kha William Tyndale in Henry Monmouth te inakinga Henry Monmouth panti na ma Germany la wan paita Germany kha aman kha ama sa pen na kha Hamburg ga ba pai chin Hamburg zo Wittenberg ga ba pai mo Wittenberg ga ba pai zo kha Cologne ba tungi chu Cologne ba tu na kha aman hai New Testament pen Greek pawa pata English alet pen kha why alet sa pen ave ka to in chin waya Cologne gam la pi pe ka ha ba print mom waya ama kha Cologne ba pai chin so they began to print the New Testament mo translated New Testament in English why kha a print zo kha they printed 6,000 copies and then they sent it to England but you know they couldn't send it to England because akumpi pan thallo wai chenga kha so they smuggled it to England smuggled je ngai which abu ka And then, do you know one interesting tidbit? Tindelin ka a Bible pen ka anyo dia hi chi pen ka athupi bang jak chi le ka mi pin ka apokita ai cha agwang thing na diu. Number 1, number 2, om namun pyo pyo gente na belam ching lai he ke le lowa sem lai hi le atol dam lai wa khai cha tutsa asim thing na duwa. Chile asmagalut wa khamo mi kikipa ko mi pite kikipa ko chin. So everybody grabbed a copy for themselves. So, but then church in Kaon tasting simta. So they tried to catch people, but people were so happy that finally amao ka mani pawa English amao ka pawa sim the jang ma ka ki paglo telu. But obviously me ting in lai sim the lo chumo they were not literate. So how did they read the Bible jile? Amao ka alom ta te ko amao la ka mi khat lai siam mom din jin alai the mi in ka Bible hong din jin ni tang jang ko nga accept ti teng accept ki to jang wa tu khom nai diu jin why alai sim the pe nin ka sim din jin mi dang ten ka ana ngai he zel diu ni le sa pa wa hi je ka the siam ve ku mom hi chanom to in jin ji le Tunstall why Bishop Tunstall phal na pe lo pa in ka hon thek ka kha yai Bible ti ting ka hal tum de hi chi le Bible ne him why te kha hal lup de hi chi ju mak tho cho ni danga Jesu ging te kha ki hal ei chu male hi le go ta o mu hi le tu nga kha banga chi le Jesu ging te kya hello in jin Bible sa pawa an ne te kha hal tum hal lup de hi u chi kha thu pan mo vai hom ten hon kwa mu chi a kha Oya Bible tampi pet ma kha hal abyak London abyak in konga kha hon hal unjin why a Bible print ti lakwa kha tu ni ta na why kha Bible ni cho anaki save kha so why bana kha after that what happened was a Bible print pen kha on kham the lo we chu chi le kha Tindel pen kha on kham som tao Bishop ten kha amau mi hon solun chin ama kha man som amat som takwa kha aman kha a print a translation about te teng kai cha gom ko menjin koila mataya chile worm kwa tai mo WORM worms kwa tai mo worm kwa lung chu hilo worm kichi kwa menjin Germany ya waya matai Old Testament pen ka Hebrew paw ki gele chu mo chile New Testament pen translate kin ta ka ichang kha Old Testament pen translate ut ka hi cha kha man kha worm a Hebrew na zire chu chile waya pa ta kha Antwerp on pai Antwerp pa kha mo aman he translated the 5 books of the Bible into English from Hebrew to English. Which of these books? Genesis, Exodus, Leviticus, Numbers, Deuteronomy. He translated 5 of Moses' books. Here 5 books. Tekha aminkha Pentatech kichi mo. Penta means 5. Pentatech mo 5 books. Plus the book of Jonah. So what happened was while I kumpi khato mention King Henry VIII. Mom, King Henry VIII in kha Tyndale sa mention and he said work for me in my court. The Tyndale in kha okay fine, Your Majesty kon pai ki but on one condition. Mo, what is the condition na chile? You shall legalize more translation of the Bible. Bible translation pen kha na legalize le. Dana na phal tak le why changin kon pai ki pan dia chi le kha kumbi pa ut lo bangsia ka chi le kha a Roman Catholic Church sen kha na phal lo wai chang mo chile kumbi pan le Tyndale le ni jana ka sapna pen hon reject ngam mo chi chin he lo tel he mi pa kha thang nge de hi chi kha man kha on le pan ta why kom kala kha cardinal chi chu ama obya ki na a church a alian pen cardinal ki chi Cardinal Wolsey in kale chance hi pakathat nge de hi chi kha ma kha pan la tan jin mi ama mandi kha aman kha hon sai so ta mo hon sai so why kom kala kha Tyndale Joshua apata Second Chronicle Laibu tan kha man aman na translate khin man mo why huna hilale why ta ka Henry Philip kichi mi khatono mention so he informed the authorities police ti kyang again engine kumpite mi ki kyang again engine na chile amawon payun jin he mi pa khaya ya o ma hi he ya mathe hi chaka man kha information pe engine manun jin swangkula tang sa ku mo swangkula kha ma kha som le gu tak tangi chu kha som le gu ka tang sunga kha ama kha danjina koy anwai pe na koy jin light le omlo vot luain chin aman puan luman piawa wa chi changa le puan lum pe u lo mo le pen to paper banga nge changa le quill to parchment nge changa le vai le phallo an le hoi ta ka pe u lo mo cha gen the ei ta ka ko yu mo le le ma kha som le gup ta ku chiana om why om sunga tenga a heu tulian te ba pai je lunjin na thil hi pen kha adik lo hi chi na pon ngam hiya ja do chang ma William Tyndale ka thil hi dik lo bang ma om ki hi pathian thu kha mi teng a di hi ya wai se ka ken pathian sem ka hi chi kha man pai pi pom kip tin ten but then after 16 months amao thu pya hunjin he should be burnt at the stakes halu pa om de hi chin amao kha William Tyndale ka halu mo October kha halu chin 1536 a halu ahal ma kha oklu moe chu strangle moe chu waya ahal ma wa aman kha thum na khat nei chu athum na banga chi le to pa o kumpi pa midwak sakin England a hungki no nin chi mo he was basically saying Lord open the eyes of the King of England chi mo King of England King Henry VIII penin kha nang thu thei ding in amit hong sakin amit wak sakin cha kha thum na mo last thum na why athum zo cheta kha thatun chin why William Tyndale in honom no lo san ama panpi tu who continued his work ama na pin ana pai pi jot aman kha chronicles tan second chronicles tan let tin chen chile Micah Nahum Habakkuk tan let kwa chile kha Miles Coverdale ki chi ki thwa pi khadom min ahai abana second chronicle apata Habakkuk tan kha ama Coverdale in let tin chin le New Testament pen aki let sa pen why teng gom kho min chen Bible khat the Matthew's Bible chi pen hon sut khiao mo why the Matthew's Bible pen kha it's actually also called the Tyndale Coverdale Bible mo hai pen kha 1537 a ki sunin jin le why non sot lo wa the Great Bible ki chi khaba men jin the Great Bible pen kha 1539 a hon ki sunin jin Tyndale asi na pen kha banga chile translation zia ka si chu mo English a translate ka thadwe chu thaom. But when he died, his prayer was that the Lord would open the King of England's eyes. Chile pathiane na thum na dong in exactly 10 months after he died. Why 1539 at the Great Bible pen King Henry VIII in mi England a meeting think yang a piag dia hi chi vai on mo thu swa on kwa. Alright, tunia isin laya pata banga isin thei chile I think two or three very important things, right? No lena na ngai to how ya. The first is we need to be very sincere and diligent. Ithil hi tenga kha ku kaldi le ginom di pathian de da na hi wai pen kha tunia William Tyndale tam thuwa pata ki se mo. Number ni na kha banga chile alungkyak pa lo di thil haksat na I to ajanga ha haksat na le lo sam na mo failure and disappointments are the stepping stone to success. Tyndale bangle a Bible haksata ka New Testament alet pen ka haltum saku mo ave ka copy ni chilo ave ka haltum saku ama akawaya lungkilo instead what he did was he was like it's okay I'll print a revised version in ka aman a Bible pen revision bolon in ka 1520s a print no mo waya patyana dia na same ka hi chi athe je ka khaman ka ha pan the same so we should also be like that and then athum na kha ipaw sang ithil gen te le ihin danin kha Jesu Christ na pe mi dang kyang a hon hil sakhe hi chi pen ka tunia Tyndale tam thua pata bang chida na ki zirai chi le asi de kwa na kha danjina omin why huna le aman akyang nga ya om te jailer le atanu pen kha Chris thu hil the amaw le pyam thaku aman na ba hingje ka pyang ta khilo jin ami hin dan aginom dan le amizia khong ne changwa amaule Jesu thu won theu tun jin wai tung to na ma hon pyang tha bu ma wai ja ka e ma e bang le I hin kwate I hi ki igam he dan I kam pau dan iom dan I thil chin dan te ko nga tung to na mi iki mi kya nga ilom le khanwal te kha pathian thu hin kha I mo pwa ka hi chi kha dunia izir thandi okay interesting though mo a little bit long but William Tyndale tang thu kha poimo ped ma a khente bang in amaban changa history English literature college nan kai changwa mo English literature khong na la wa hi ke le history kha khong ke le pol science khong nan la ku le he te khong ka le honzir non zir be diu a hi se ka kha very interesting mo alright yom nu mun cha ta na chi dam dia wear your masks and wash your hands and sanitize your hands okay alright bye bye